Hello future engineers, there is another video in hydraulics, and for your effective preparations to your quiz or to your board exam, I want you to train yourselves by solving this problem I uh, after you see the entire statement of the problem and the figure, like here. Then you solve the problem. Then compare your answers with the answers here, and I suggest this so that uh, you can test yourselves, your status, your level of understanding concepts and principles include mechanics and hydraulics, so that you can definitely pass your board exam or your quizzes if you can do it. My next suggestion is you have to mute the entire video, and I hope that you can follow the presented solutions here, even if they are animated. And the third suggestion is you have to fast forward until the end of the video. Then, just like reading presented solutions to books, then you have to read silently the solution. And if you can follow and think of the presented solution, then that's also a good training on your side. But the best training is, as I said, problem and just this figure here. And the less effective one is the third one, wherein you have to pass forward and read the solutions presented here. But those who cannot do it for the three suggestions I mentioned, then you just uh, turn, you just watch the video as well as the explanation and solutions, but that's not effective for me. So here is the figure. This is already solved in part 32. This is the alternate solution using integration. So a vertical right angle plate, a decision is in contact with a liquid of specific weight gamma on one side. So derive expressions for F, moment AB, and moment AC. Indicate the direction or sense of each and solve by integration. So this is location of the centroid, which is 2/3 of h from the liquid surface, and b over 3 from this vertical edge. So that's the positive y direction and the positive x direction. That is based on the derivation of the formulas in fluid statics, which is also found here. It should be at the start of this topic. Then centroidal axis. So that means if the center of pressure lies here, both EHP and EVP would be positive, while if it lies here, EHP is negative and EVP is still positive. So 2/3 H B over 3, EVP, EHP. So since this is by integration, let's have the 3D view so that you can analyze. So the pressure on this strip would be uniform, would be the same, because the vertical distance from the liquid surface, which is here, is the same, which is denoted by capital Y. So F is equal to pressure integral of differential force, which is pressure at this level times differential area, which is X, capital X dy. So dF is pressure at this level times dA, which is big X times dy. The pressure is specific weight of liquid times vertical distance to the point. So since all points on this horizontal strip are equidistant from the liquid surface, capital Y, so F is integral of pressure, which is gamma big Y, dA is big X dy. So from the figure, by similar triangles, X as to Y equals B as to H. So that means X is B over H times Y. So substitute here, F is gamma integral of Y, then X B over H Y dy. So that would be gamma B H integral of Y square is Y cube over 3 from 0 to H. So substitute, it is gamma B H square over 3 because we can cancel H. So gamma BH square over 3, and it is pointing backwards or in that direction if we have center pressure here. Next is for moment about AB. So if you curl your forefingers, then our right thumb will be pointing in that direction, which is same positive direction as this x-axis here. So it is positive. So moment about AB is positive F times this distance, which is h over 3 minus AVP. So differential moment about AB is differential F. Because this is by integration, it is differential F times moment arm, which is this, and it is small h minus y. So substituting moment AB therefore is integral of dF, and dF is this expression here. So moment AB is negative gamma, then y, this is x, and times this h minus y. So that would be gamma b over h, then integral of hy square, which is hy cube over 3, then minus y to the fourth over 4. Because we have here y squared times y, so y cube, integral of y cube is y to the fourth over 4, 0 to h. Substituting, that would be gamma b over h, quantity h to the fourth over 3 minus h to the fourth over 4, lower limit would just be 0. So simplifying, moment AB is equal to gamma BH cube over 12, and it is in the positive direction. This is the curling, this is the direction of our right thumb. So how about for moment about this vertical axis? So moment about this vertical axis is integral of dF, moment arm x over 2. Because this is rectangular, the pressure diagram is also rectangular. Naturally, the centroid of the rectangular pressure diagram would be x over 2 from that left edge. So differential moment AC is differential F times x over 2, and that is negative if because our forefingers will be directed in that direction. So let's just make it positive, but the sense is in that direction. It is opposite negative because it is opposite to the positive y direction, which is downward in this case because our moment arm is going in that direction. So MAC is integral of dF, and dF is, we just copy this part here, gamma b over h, then y squared dy, then the moment arm is x over 2, and x is, so we have 1/2 of x which is by over h. So integrating, that would be gamma b square over 2h square. Integral of y cube is y to the fourth over 4. So gamma b square y fourth over 4, gamma b square over 2h square, y to the fourth over 4, 0 to h. So that would be gamma b square h to the fourth over 8h square, or gamma b square h square over 8. And it is in that direction. This is supposed to be negative, but because the direction of the right thumb is indicated here, so just treat that positive. Then for the general picture of this sense of moments, we have here the figure, that's F. This distance is 3/8 of B. That's 3/8 of B because it is B over 3 plus AHP, or F times that moment arm that makes moment AC gamma B square H square over 8. Then this is H over 4 also. So that F times this moment arm is equal to gamma BH cube over 12. So this would be the sense as shown in the figure. So moment AB, the position pointing of our of our right thumb would be in that sense, that's positive. And moment about AC would be supposedly negative, but that's the direction of our right thumb. So that's it for this video.